Gates open, they're up and racing to a lever action. Shows alertness at the start, moving up Angel Dugo. Then comes Haywire, running alongside his Good Humor. Then sneaking in down on the inside is entry number 2. And that's On Your Knees. Next in line is Grand Sensation. While Paring Hilton is the early trailer as they round the 3/4 mile distance. Lever action, Good Humorist by the rail, a neck race in front, then racing in third, Haywire, followed by Angel Dugo. Next in line, On Your Knees, moving up Nawari outside, Grand Sensation, while Paring Hilton is still running at the tail of the field. Past the half mile to a lever action, regains the lead by a length, running in second, Good Humor, closing in third is the favorite, Angel Dugo. Haywire remains in fourth, past the last 600 with lever action by about 2 lengths. Angel Dugo coming closer in second and shuffle back in third, Good Humor as they race to the last 450. Lever action 2A still leading the field. Throwing a challenge at the outside is the favorite, Angel Dugo. Lever action, Angel Dugo is on the outside. Angel Dugo, lever action is by the rail. Lever action, Angel Dugo now moves up to take the lead and leading the finish line. This one belongs to Angel Dugo. Lever action, Grand Sensation, Good Humor, On Your Knees, close between Haywire and Paring Hilton.
All right, 1, 2, 6, 5.